The UN Sustainable Development Agenda has become a touchstone for action for many stakeholders of both the public and private sector. However, a funding gap still exists. In a recent study carried out with Professor Mark Ventresca of the Said Business School, we have analyzed the functioning of successful donation crowdfunding platforms and also the functioning of the UN's recent experiment with donation crowdfunding called UN Digital Good. This has allowed us to draw a number of insights on what works and when. So we have decided with other alumni of the Said Business School to put these findings and insights into action and go out and build Crowdfund 17 as an experiment. This is a donation crowdfunding platform fully focused on the SDGs. And I would like to share with you a number of lessons that we have recently learned by piloting this platform. On the campaign side, we decided to support early-stage impact ventures. These ventures need donations to get off the ground, very often to build a minimum viable product or to prove initial tractions. These ventures also have an element of technology, which means that once they have proved the validity of their business model, they are extremely scalable and can have a real impact on the SDGs. On the donation side, we are connecting these impact ventures with family offices, foundations, and impact investors, for whom a donation in the range of £3,000 to £1,000 may be considered not material, but can pave the way for real and proper investment in the capital of the impact entrepreneurs once their business model is tested and proved. In terms of the crowdfunding campaigns that we are building, there is always an element of focus on the SDGs. What we have noticed, however, that there is room for improvement in the way in which the SDGs are used as a framework. What do I mean? Very often, the campaigns were structured with very broad claims on the impact that the venture has on the SDG, resulting in 5 or 6 SDGs being addressed. We are working with the impact ventures to build capacity in understanding these frameworks and helping them to define outputs of the crowdfunding campaigns that are really tangible and align with the SDGs, with the policy targets, and the indicators included in the SDG agenda. There are, however, a number of questions that are still open for us. How can we make our crowdfunding platform more inclusive? To whom do we need to connect to build a better ecosystem? And how do we align the incentives of all stakeholders?